It goes without saying, this is a prestigious blue ribbon location. Your footsteps to the sands, you're around the corner from Thirroul village. There's so much to like about this home. It's rare you'll have a view from every single window. You've got escarpment views as well as unfiltered ocean views. You can enjoy the lifestyle of Thirroul in this beautiful, versatile family home. It has a low maintenance backyard. There's so much to enjoy about it. This lifestyle is unmatched. You can spend your summers at the beach, or you can come back and enjoy the comfort of the pool in your own home. It's a real family entertainer with expansive living areas and multiple bedrooms throughout.